going to what? A month and a week? No bass? Man, I can't do this shit right now, bro. I feel like I'm out of it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like...
Oh, yeah. It's been a while since we heard from our boy Hayden Price. Cause, you know, he's so damn loud. I'm gonna give him a call.
Yo.
It's your boy, M.J. Sr. Man, it's been quiet for a while. I haven't seen any bass videos. What's going on?
I got a better idea.
Huh?
Shut the hell up and listen. I need you to video what I got in my truck. Don't say nothing stupid because I'm not in the mood for it. Understand what I'm saying? Do your job and get the hell out of my freaking porch.
If anything in the world that you need, I got it, my brother.
You ain't my brother.
Jesus Christ.
Come over here now. Right now.
Okay. Okay. On the way.
Lay down.
We're here. Coming live, 2000 Chevy Blazer C-pillar flat wall cause it's so damn loud. I'm gonna give it to you here live. First off, we're gonna open this hood. What is this? That right there is a 250 amp Singer Alt with a little battery delete. Whoa. Now that's cool. What we got over here? Lowe's approved. Yeah, and watch out now. Look at that. He has the dial from 24 all the way to 18 hertz. Oh man, you've gotta have love for the Lowe's. Yo girl got a demo. She loves how I bang. Look at that hair flow. Really now, what does it do at 18 hertz though? Way louder than 150 dB right now. We need to change this. Eventually we will. You know, when the lows are loading, you have to wait. Because once this is all the way over here, it's a big deal. All the places he's been. Oh, most of the places he's been. Isn't that cool? I think that's cool. Look at these places right here. Oh man, let's see what he has in here. Whoa! Seems to me he has some Cadence 8s, the CVL series. And DS18 Pros for his mids and is up here. He has a tweeter. Now that is loud. We have a Pioneer. I mean, it looks good too. Wow. Look at all the matting he's done. Matting everywhere. That's why he's probably so damn loud. We don't know, but we know this. This guy plays some nasty lows. I mean, let's just eat this up real quick. Look how beautiful this thing looks. I mean, she's old, but she still gets down. Wait, what is this? It looks like he's charging his batteries with a Nico Genius G7200. What is he doing with it? Let's see what he's charging. It looks like he's charging a 175 amp hour yall. Wow. That's why he's so damn loud. But wait, there's more. He has 1, 2, 3. What's going on here? It looks like he's missing a sub. Oh man. Oh man. But let's try to wait a minute. Didn't he have those stock HD American bass subs in here? Didn't he have it for like 7 years?
Dub flex, motherfucker.
He just got these. Anyway, let's move on. Let's just keep moving on. He has this Vector 4K. I'm guessing it's to feed those 4 mids and highs and those 2 tweeters on top. And what do he have over here? It appears to look like 2 Torab MD12Ks feeding those monsters. And you know, I remember when he had those stock American base HDD 115s in here, I believe they ate every last one of it. What a shame. What a shame. What do you got over here? Let's open this door. What is that, a little meter? Just so damn loud he is. That is awesome. What is this? Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. That. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see what we have back here. Oh, and you follow this right here. That Hayden Price, that YouTube little link right there, you might want to click that and subscribe to your boy. Yeah, and if you have the lows, you make sure you find this page, Love for the Lows, because that's what we love lows. Let's see what's back here. He has all back here all matted up. It looks nice and it looks clean. Wow. Wow. Just look at that. And now that looks like some master craftsmanship right there. On this though. Oh, this really, I think this is really killing Hayden right now. Is that he's down a sub like this. And for what I hear, it's not just one sub. I believe there's that sub back there too. It's got some stuff going on. Oh, jeez. Well, let me go on and skedaddle before he comes out and catches me out here, because I'm pretty sure he just wants me to go ahead and do this and go ahead and get out of town. So yeah, I gotta call my boy and let him know that I did the thing for him.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I hope you get back on your feet, because I don't know how you feel, man, but I know that you love lows. I don't know what happened there, man, but I hope you get back on your feet, my man, my guy. Well, he hung up a long time ago. He's really mad.